up, beautiful people? This is now the third attempt I am making this video. The first time took about 3 minutes, and I made the hemp milk, and it went everywhere. So to make the hemp milk, you need 1 cup of hemp seeds, 3 cups of filtered water. You just pour them into a blender. I added a little bit of vanilla, and you can also add some small fruits like dates, preferably alkaline, something alkaline. But after you do that and you have it in the blender, it looks like this. There's the water and the seeds, and then you just want to let it liquefy. And you're going to want to do this until you feel like it's ready, because all blenders are different, or however consistent you want the milk to be. And while this is blending, I'm going to give you some reasons why people will want to make their own milk. People trade their hours of their life to get money, and they spend it at the grocery store, and they just consume it. When, if you are self-sufficient, you can do and create some of this stuff in the grocery store by yourself for little to no cost, and it's just as good, if not better, for you. So here's what it's looking like. I think she's ready. Now, I'm just going to, since seeds are the most nutritional part of a plant or a fruit or vegetable, I am just going to leave the seeds in there because I'm not trying to be wasteful. But you can use a strainer or something else to kind of get out of there. It wouldn't really work with the hemp seeds with this. But if you're making almond milk or something of that sort, use that. So this is the milk, looking good. Now keep in mind it's not cow's milk, so it does have a different taste. But would you just look at that? Ooh, doesn't that look delicious? Phone eats first, fellas and ladies. Oh my gosh, wow. First time trying hemp milk. Actually, well, I tried it last time when I was cleaning it up off the counter. But yeah, so that's how you make hemp milk. If you want to make more milk, all you gotta do is double the proportions. So if you want to make a bigger portion, you add 2 cups of hemp and 6 cups of filtered water, or still, actually, alkaline water would probably be the best. You put water in a copper cup. Since copper is a conductor, it'll actually ionize the pH of the water and turn it and increase its alkalinity, which might be what I do next time, and I might do a video on that next. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, I'm going to be doing more healthy / self-sufficient and self-love videos here in the future. And yeah, that's it. That's how you make hemp milk. And I hope everybody's having a great day. And spread love, not hate. Ours the comments. Ow!